Hello folks, I'm just taking a stroll outside so you can see what it's like out here. I've just thrown my boots on. I've got no socks on and I haven't done my laces up. It's hard going, snow soft. Oh god, that is so cold on my feet. I'll take a walk down to the left here. First, to go up to the corner here. I'm not going to go far away. So you can see. Then again, I might take a walk around the block and just film. Looks like the snowplow has come down this side. Not done a very good job, like. Here we have Kiddies playing field. I'm not going to go for a walk around the block. Hope it don't take too long. So, the bridge coming onto the island, that has been closed off because reports been put on Facebook. There's a 9-car accident happened on there. So until that's cleared, the island's closed off because it's about a 14-mile bridge, 14-mile bridge, or is it K's, one or the other. Until that's cleared, traffic can't get off or onto the island. Oh, I didn't see this snow yet. Somebody's been there to clear the snow there, look, big pile. I'll go around this way. Like I say, I'm not going to walk too far, it's a bit windy and everything else. And I don't think too happy if I dragged it out in this time, like I did in 2011. I dragged it out in the snowstorm so we could take a walk around, so I could get some pictures. Oh god, I wish I'd had the boots on now. I wish I had a pair of gloves on. My hands are flipping freezing. Snowplow's been on the road down here. God. I haven't gone walking far. As you can see down here. Are frozen. let's get on the path here. Jeez, it is so cold. Why the heck have I done this? I don't know. Snow's going down my boots. No socks on. You got a car down there, clearing that drive off. Well, it's a pickup, but it's got a bulldozer on the front, or, you know, spade on the front. Turn right here, walk back home again. It's too cold to stay out, and I've got to hit the road tomorrow night, so I'm hoping the roads are going to be, this storm will have gone and the roads will have been cleared and I get a safe journey to Pennsylvania, which I've put my location on GPS already. It's a 970-mile drive, and obviously it gives me the hours, and it says it'll take me 17 hours to drive down there. Here we go, back home. I'm not staying out too long. There we go, I just took a walk around the block so you can see what it's like. This side's underneath here as well. Place in front of me, it's the landlord. There's Lisa's car. It's the front of the house. And in I go.